Hello everyone, we are here to share our insights on a very real and personal topic, the paradox of decision making, personal values versus business. The presentation is based on a group assignment for the HC1062 unit, where we reflected on real decisions, compared experiences, and developed a management framework that blends logic with emotion. Hi, I'm Mansi Vyas and I have group partner Diya Khunt. Our project explores how personal values, things like loyalty or independence, can sometimes clash with business goals like efficiency or profit. We will walk you through personal stories, group analysis, and our processed solution for thoughtful decision making in the management. Our journey began with understanding suboptimal decisions, those that aren't ideal but still meaningful. A suboptimal decision isn't necessarily a failure. It's a choice that didn't lead to the best outcome, especially when judged against your value or logic. In personal life, these decisions are often emotion driven. In business, suboptimal might mean lost revenue or poor planning, but both hold the power to teach. One story I shared in the report was about staying in a relationship too long. Loyalty was the value that kept me there, hoping things would change. But in trying to fix everything, I neglected myself. That decision left me emotionally tired. Later, it taught me how to set healthier boundaries and appreciate self care. This story was deeply personal but relatable. Many of us choose loyalty even when it hurts. As a group, we found our stories uh, varied, but each stemmed from core values. One quit a job for self respect, another ignored advice out of pride. Someone else made a risky investment driven by ambition. These were not perfect choices, but every single one led to growth. Here is a quick summary of those reflections.
Thank you, Mansi. From now, I will speak about this presentation. The biggest pattern? Emotion was at the root of nearly all personal decisions. In contrast, business often dismisses emotion in favor of data, but maybe there's room for both. Our stories helped us see how powerful emotional insight can be when paired with thoughtful analysis. We also discussed the idea of inaction. Waiting too long out of fear or uncertainty can be just as damaging as making a wrong move. Acting gives you experience, perspective, and confidence. Inaction often brings confusion and or regret. Our takeaway: it's better to make a move, learn, and grow than to freeze. We developed a six-step framework for decision making, especially for managers. First, identify the core problem, then consider who's affected and what values matter. Gather data, reflect emotionally and ethically, then make decisions and learn from the result. This cycle encourages smarter, more balanced choices. This model isn't just theory, it helps leaders notice burnout, avoid rushed decisions, and make space for team feedback. Metrics like ROI, staff satisfaction, or decision speed help assess if the process is working. It's not about perfect, but it's about getting better with each step. To wrap up, Suboptimal decisions aren't always bad. They are human, they are how we learn. When we reflect honestly, we grow stronger. But personally and professionally, we hope you'll walk away today with a fresh view on decision making and maybe reflect on few choices of your own. Thank you